again, CJ, and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! So for today's vlog guys, ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano kami magse-celebrate ng Christmas 2020. Yes, I'm with my pamangkin there, RJ, and my ate. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Welcome to my... What? Okay, yun na guys, andito po kami ngayon magse-celebrate ng Christmas sa Sunrise Garden Lake Resort here in Lake Cebu. Welcome to Sunrise Garden Lake Resort. Welcome! So yun na guys, napili namin mag-celebrate ng Christmas dito sa Sunrise Garden Lake Resort dahil para maiba naman. So I'm with my family, here with my son, Mama, yan, and Leo. Merry Christmas! So ito pong view dito guys. So yan po aming simple handa for tonight, for today. Tapos mamaya doon kami kakain sa kanilang restaurant. So yan guys, meron kaming carbonara and cake, cassava cake, yan. So there's the view. So yan guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Sunrise Garden Lake Resort with my family there. Yan, food trip sila guys, food trip. Going to celebrate Christmas here in Sunrise Garden Lake Resort with my family. So, yun guys, nandito kami ngayon. Dito po kami mag-celebrate ng aming Christmas celebration, not a party because bawal daw po ang party ngayon. So, yun guys, nandito ako ngayon sa room namin. Yan. Malaki naman yung room. We rented a suite room. So, meron dalawang double bed. So, dalawa. Ako at anak ko, si Mama at si Leo. Yan, dyan sila matutulog, guys. Tara na, swimming na tayo. Uy! Hey, hey! Uy! So, yun guys, pumunta sila dito para maghiga. Aray ko. Here's my pamangkin playing with his dad. Atoy. Sino nag-gift niyan? RJ? Who gave that? Louder. Lola? Wow, nice. Guys, naglaro sila ng daddy niya.
They can know. I'm just joking. I know how to do it. I know how to do anything.
Show it to me.
Okay.
Oh!
Just remove this.
Remove this.
Welcome to Sunrise Garden Lake Resort. So guys, mag-explore kami ni Mama dito sa place dito. So they have lake activities like water biking, kayaking, game fishing, owong ride. So we're gonna experience that all later. So I will show you their view, the view here in Sunrise Garden Lake Resort. So yun guys, papunta kami dun ngayon. Meron silang mga ganito, tapos meron silang boat for boating, yan. Tapos meron silang ano, parang bike biking. Yan. So yan guys, meron silang water biking for only 100 pesos. For 30 minutes na yun. 100 pesos for 30 minutes. So we are here. Yan guys. So i-experience namin yan. So mamaya na kasi papahinga pa yung mga bata. So papa-experience natin sa kanila. Para worth it yung ating punta dito sa kanilang resort. So what can you say, Matt, here sa Sunrise Garden? RJ, what can you say here? RJ, hey, what can you say? RJ, say something. What can you say about this place?
Amazing. Then dangerous a little bit.
Can understand. This place is
Amazing, but then I am gonna fall. Tomorrow, we're gonna make a competition of those water bicycles.
Yes. Tomorrow daw mag-compete daw kami noon, guys. 'Yon. Yung bicycle na 'yon. Yan, there. Guys, dito po yung room namin sa taas, second floor. Ang name ng room namin ay Winter and ano yun, ma? Winter and Autumn. Yun ang name ng mga room nila dito. So malaki po yung kanilang parking lot. Yan po yung kanilang parking lot. So they have enough space para sa mga cars na pumupunta dito. So yun guys, akit na ako sa aking room kasi I need to change na dahil mag-swimming na po ako. So yun na guys, papunta ako ngayon sa aking room dahil mag-change clothes na po ako dahil mag-swimming na ako. Dahil look at guys, ito yung aming table. So doon po yung aming room. And look, yan, overview po yung swimming pool. Kaya sulit and very good naman kasi dito kami na punta na room. So makikita namin yung mga kids pag mag-swim na sila. Yan guys. So andyan lang yung aming pool. So for today, magbihis na po ako. So look at me, mom. Yan, picture perfect. Picture addict. Selfie addict. Yan. Guys, yung pamangkin ko ay nakahanap ng kalaro niya. Yan. Kasi ang mga kuya may sariling mundo rin.
Oh no, that's the shark! That's the shark! See him! No! No! I can still see him!
So we're gonna go to their restaurant now because we're gonna have our dinner. So punta po kami ngayon doon. with my ate and RJ.
He said the chop shop and then
So, dyan kami mag-dinner, guys, sa kanilang Sidlock Lounge. There. Sige, ay mo na, yaan mo na. Yaan mo na. Merry Christmas, everyone! So, nandito kami ngayon, guys, sa kanilang ano yan? Lunch with my pamangkin RJ there. And so we're gonna have dinner here. Budol fight dinner. Budol fight. There.
Bago ba yan?
Kamu yung prepare nyo yan ng ano, ang baka.
Well na lang yung bago.
Iban sa akin. Oo.
Set at yes. So guys, from our family to yours, Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas! Video. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Pancit niyo, ini pancit ini niyo. Gawin na, gawin na. Ganda. Malinis aja, di ba?
So guys, tapos na po kami mag-dinner and yan. Hindi namin naubos ang aming dinner. So yun. So in behalf of my family, we would like to extend our greetings. Merry Christmas to all of you and a prosperous new year ahead.